How we can get started with the actual Loom. This is a great section that can be helping you to create some video messages with your teammates to supercharge your productivity. So how we can get the actual Loom for free. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description, guys, so you can have this totally for free. The very first thing you want to do after you clicked down below in the description, you're going to be seeing something like this. In this case, let's say for example that I wanted to sign up with my Google account. So I'm going to choose this one because it's going to be much more faster to import all my information. I'm going to check out all the terms and conditions and hit into I agree. So there you have it, guys. We now have an actual account here. So what are you planning to do here into Loom? Let's say for example that this is actually for my personal projects. I'm going to hit now into continue here, my workspace. Let's say this one is called Tech Express Boards. And hit now into continue and then invite your teammates. This is just in case you wanted to help reduce meetings and allow for you to communicate to several teammates. Let's go for not now. And lastly, there's a Chrome extension and a desktop application. So let's say for example that I wanted to focus into the Chrome extensions since we're currently using an actual computer. So as you can see, this one says add to the Brave. I hit into add extension and we're actually good to go. Now, if I need to explain something to a teammate, to whatever, usually what I do is to just use this extension of Loom. I have this screen recorded of what I wanted to explain to them. And lastly, I just send this directly into my teammates, and that is actually it. So you want to make sure that this one is into the upper side, into the extensions, and here into Loom, you wanted to enable and pin this into the upper side so you can see this in here. So before you type into I wanted to explore on my own, let's go for the I wanted to practice. So hit into the start 1 minute video, and you might be seeing it's going to be asking you to capture and asking you to use your camera, use your Microsoft, and after that I'm going to hit into block, of course, because of course it's not going to be continuing with my actual account. But usually this is how you're going to be using the window, the no camera and the no microphone. You can enable this if you wanted to. You can change effects here, the blur, canvas, and of course this is just a demo mode. So I'm gonna just close this tutorial, and you can see down here that you have your actual account. Into the actual library, you have the actual background. You can change the background if you wanted to. Let's see, for example, for something like this or like this. That's really optional, of course. You have the text layout. So here into the text layout, let's say for example that this is just something for Tech Express chat support, or let's go for video chat. There we go. And you can choose a template if you wanted to. For example, let's say this one. That's totally optional if you wanted to create like a video meeting or whatever. So once you are successfully done here, just close it and hit into start recording. Once you finish the start recording, you might be seeing here into your settings that you have now the section of recording here, and you can save this directly so you can later on use it to send it to your actual teammates or whatever. So the process of doing this into an application is exactly the same. You no longer need an actual extension to get started here. So what I do love to use here are templates because it'll be much more faster to use. Breaking news. And there you have it, guys. As you can see, it is not that bad to actually have used of the actual Loom section. So with that being said, guys, if you have not reached to the very end of the video, now don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you find this video really useful, remember to choose the template so you can see that there's so much fun there that you can check out with your actual teammates, collaborators, and much more. You can choose from different windows, tabs, camera only, full screen, whatever you're actually looking for. Really great tool to show video screen into your actual computer and more applications. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.